Today I am going to explain the fifth question of chapter 1 exercise 1.1 and chapter name is real number 10th class. So question is, show that one and only one out of n plus 2, n plus 4 is divisible by 3 where n is any positive integer. So solve this problem. Solve. Let n is any positive integer. Let n is any positive integer is in the form of 3q, 3q plus 1, 3q plus 2. So take case 1. We solve this problem by taking case 1 the 3q, case 2 3q plus 1 and case 3 is 3q plus 2. So first case 1 is n is equal to 3q. So 3q is a multiple of 3. So we can say that n is divisible by 3. So now we have to find out n plus 2 is divisible by 3 or not. Now we have to show that n plus 2 divisible by 3 or not. So same equation, n is equal to 3q. Now we have to show that n plus 2 is divisible by 3 or not. So take plus 2 on both side. Take on both side. N plus 2 is equal to 3q plus 2. Take 2 on both side. So n plus 2 is equal to 3q plus 2. 3q plus 2 is not a multiple of 3 because it leaves remainder 2 while dividing by 3. So n plus 2 is not divisible by 3. So now we have to show that n plus 4 is divisible by 3 or not. We have to show that n plus 4 divisible by 3 or not. We have to show that n plus 4 is divisible by 3 or not. So take again same equation, n is equal to 3q, adding 4 on both side. Add 4 on both side. N plus 4 is equal to 3q plus 4. N plus 4 is equal to 3q plus 4. We can write it as 3 plus 1. So n plus 4 is equal to 3 common. So here remainder is q. 3 common. Here remainder is 1 plus 1. Now 3q plus 1 is not multiple of 3. Not multiple of 3. Sorry. Not multiple of 3. Because its leave remainder 1 while dividing by 3. So n plus 4 is not divisible by 3. So case 1 is completed. Now we have to take case 2. Case 2, n is equal to 3q plus 1. So 3q plus 1 is not a multiple of 3. We know that 3q plus 1 is not a multiple of 3, not a multiple of 3, because it leaves remainder 1 while dividing by 3. So now we are going to prove the n plus 2 is possible to divisible by 3 or not. We have to find n plus 2 possible or not divisible by 3. So same equation, n is equal to 3q plus 1. Take 2 on both sides, because we have to show n plus 2 is possible divisible by 3. Is it correct or not? We have to check. So take 2 on both side, add 2 on both side. N plus 2 is equal to 3q plus 1 plus 2. So n plus 2 is equal to 3q plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So n plus 2 is equal to 3 common, remainder q plus 1. 3q plus 1 is multiple of 3. So we can say that n plus 2 is divisible by 3. So next we have to show that n plus 4 is divisible by 3 or not. So take n plus 4. We have to find n plus 4 divisible by 3 or not. We have to check. So take same, n is equal to 3q plus 1. Take 4 on both side, add 4 on both side. So n plus 4 is equal to 3q plus 1 and plus 4. N plus 4 is equal to 3q plus 5. N plus 4 is equal to 3q plus, we can write 5 in the form of 3 plus 2. N plus 4 is equal to 3 common inside of the bracket q and 1 plus 2 as it is. So 3 into q plus 2 3q plus 1 plus 2 is not multiple of 3, because it leaves remainder 2 while dividing by 3. So n plus 4 is not divisible by 3. Case 2 is also solved. Now we have to solve the case 3. Case 3, take n is equal to 3q plus 2. 3q plus 2 is not multiple of 3 because it leaves 2 while dividing by 3. So n is not divisible by 3. Now we have to find n plus 2 is divisible by 3 or not. N plus 2 divisible by 3 or not. So same equation, take n is equal to 3q plus 2. We have to find n plus 2 divide. Is this possible to n plus 2 divisible by 3? So take n plus 2, take 2 on both side. Take 2 on both side. N plus 2 is equal to 3q plus 2 plus 2. N plus 2 is equal to 3q plus 4. N plus 2 is equal to 3q plus, we can write 4 in the form of 3 plus 1. So n plus 2 is equal to 3 common in 3 common here, q plus 3 common, remainder 1 plus 1. 3q plus 1 plus 1 is not multiple of 3 because it leave 1 while dividing by 3. So we can say that n plus 2 is not divisible by 3. Now we have to find, is n plus 4 divisible by 3 or not? N plus 4 divisible by 3 or not? We have to find n plus 4 divisible by 3 or not. So take same equation, same above equation, n is equal to 3q plus 2 and add 4 on both side. Adding 4 on both side. N plus 4 is equal to 3q plus 2 plus 4. N plus 4 is equal to 3q plus 6. N plus 4 is equal to 3 common, so here q, if 3 common from 6, so remainder is 2. Three q plus 2 is a multiple of 3. So we can say that n plus 4 is divisible by 3. Thank you very much. Hence proved.